Hey everyone, quick biochemistry basics here. Let's talk about classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are often termed as saccharides, which means sugar. Carbohydrates are mainly classified into three major groups known as monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Let's talk about monosaccharides. The word mono means one, and these are the simplest type of carbohydrates found in nature. They have general chemical formula CnH2ON. Monosaccharides are further classified into aldoses and ketoses. Aldose monosaccharides are the ones that have aldehyde as a functional group. The example of aldose includes glyceraldehyde and glucose. Ketose monosaccharides are the ones that have ketone as a functional group. An example of ketose includes fructose. Oligosaccharides. These are the carbohydrates that have 2 to 10 monosaccharide units linked together to form a chain. Depending on the number of monosaccharides units present, oligosaccharides are classified as disaccharides for 2 monosaccharides, trisaccharides for 3 monosaccharides, and so on. Example of disaccharides includes sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Sucrose is made up of glucose and fructose. Lactose is made up of galactose and glucose. Example of trisaccharides is raffinose. Raffinose is made up of galactose, glucose, and fructose. Let's talk about polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are the carbohydrates that have many monosaccharides linked together to form a long chain. Polysaccharides have a high molecular weight and often form colloids when dissolved in water. They can either be branched or unbranched. Polysaccharides are usually classified into homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides are the polymer of same monosaccharide units, while heteropolysaccharides are the polymer of different monosaccharide units. Example of homopolysaccharide includes starch and cellulose. In case of starch, the glucose molecules are linked together by alpha-1,4 linkage. While in case of cellulose, the glucose molecules are linked together by beta-1,4 linkage. The example of heteropolysaccharide includes chondroitin 4 sulfate. It is made up of repeating units of glucuronic acid and N-acetyl galactosamine 4 sulfate.